Hey guys, well, here it is, July 6th. I don't know, yeah, 6th. 3 days after I made the video of my Taurus. Well, that's no longer mine. As you can see, it's got temp tags. Here is my 2005 Ford Escape XLT. Loaded, leather. Before the millions, got the frame things my Taurus had. As you can see, this thing's in immaculate shape. The guy who played spark plugs, but I'm taking that back in for that. I got
You have reached your destination.
my navigation system. Here's my old plates. And one thing I kept are my old keys. Anyways, people, I just wanted to show you this sunroof. So, if you want to watch a video, want me to make a full legit video, let me know down below.